All right, we're still in week 2 of the ADU construction, and we are getting very close to the second inspection. So we already had our first inspection. It was for the rough plumbing. The second inspection is gonna be for the footing and rebar layout. So I'm gonna show you guys here very quickly. So what they did recently is lay out this type of this base. It's gravel and cement, dry, very little moisture if any. So they laid it out on that's a dead bird. Poor him. I need to check on him. So they laid it out probably from the cold or something. Anyway, so they laid out the base here on where the foundation is gonna sit, and then they put this plastic separation. I think it's for the humidity, and then they laid out this rebar in a square shape layout, just like that. Okay, now the important thing is the footing. They have here, as you can see, they have what they call a chair. So there's that piece of rebar is not sitting on the ground. It's sitting on a small elevation, maybe 7 inches or so, 6 inches, less actually, 4 inches above the ground. And that's done on purpose. So when they pour concrete will wrap around the rebar. So the rebar is what keeps the concrete all together in one piece, and we're gonna have a full pour, meaning they're not gonna pour the footing first, let it cure, and then they pour the foundation after it cures. They're gonna pour everything together. That's why all these rebars are intertwined and connected to each other. So that way the full footing and foundation are just one piece. Okay, so that's the update I have. This is week 2. We are almost done with week 2. Hopefully we have the inspection tomorrow and we pass, and then we will be able to pour concrete this week also, and then sit and wait for it to cure. All right. Oh, one more thing. So we have, this is specific to our property. We have these ficus trees that are too close to the ADU, to the footing, foundation, the plumbing of the kitchen. So we did not know what to do with them. So we brought in 2 arborists and some people from the field, like the excavation people, the foundation engineer, and we decided to keep them even though they are too close, because their roots are not, even though this one is a benjamina. I'm learning all this. So it's a ficus benjamina. It's a very aggressive type of ficus, and but we're lucky its roots, yes, they were spread out across the ADU and the backyard, but it's small roots, and this is fully developed. Like its root system is not gonna grow more. And we were advised that if we keep on trimming it, basically the roots spread out as much as the foliage itself. So it's coming out maybe 7 feet or 8 feet from the actual trunk, and same from that side. So you have to consider, the same for same distance for the roots. We're gonna though build a separation. It's called a root barrier. It's gonna be in plastic, and we're gonna set it up over there and over here a little bit, like halfway. That way we are certain that, we will never be certain, but at least we have some mitigation in place. And then we just, look how things go, keep an eye on it. We really love it. We love trees in general, but especially these city trees. So that's how we're gonna be able to save them. One more thing about the rebar. So it has grooves in it. I don't know if you can see it, but let me show you a piece here that's not installed. So it has grooves, and that is also on purpose, because if it's smooth, the concrete will have less grip on the rebar. So with the grooves, the concrete sticks and is held together better. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe, share with friends, family, any person that's interested in seeing the progress of an ADU and the construction from scratch. This is a good video for them, and this is a good channel. All right, have a good day. Bye.